This is the pricing, right? So what are you interested in? Are you interested in paying for a month-to-month basis, or are you interested in making a yearly payment? I'll
How
tell you.
would
I'll
this
tell you.
work? Because instead of purchasing separate, जैसे जोहो बुक्स मेरे
मैं
इनवॉइसिंग
समझ
के लिए
गया
मैं
मैं
यूज
समझ
करना
गया मैं
चाहता हूँ,
समझ गया मैं समझ
एंड
गया
देन सीआरएम अलग चीज के लिए यूज करना चाहता हूँ, बट रादर देन दैट अगर ये यूज करे तो इसका क्या बेनिफिट एंड हाउ इट
Yes,
विल वर्क फॉर मी?
correct. Basically, instead of buying different applications separately, it is going to cost you much more, right? And it's not worth it. And that is why this
करेक्ट.
Zoho One bundle has been made. If you are in a
करेक्ट.
position where you are going to use more than three applications, go with the Zoho One bundle. It only makes sense to buy apps separately when you are going to use maybe one or two applications. So then it makes sense that you go for just apps separately. But if you are going for the bundle, it's much more cheaper. So you don't have to do things, and every application can be integrated with each other as well. That is the best part. You can integrate each application as per your requirements so that they can talk to each other. So that you don't have to manually add data of one application to the other if you need the data, right? Let's say, for example, salespeople. You don't want to give access to salespeople of your Zoho accounts because that's where the accounting takes place. That's the job of an accountant, right? Or a CA or the CA who's looking after your chart of accounts or the statements. And your accountant doesn't have to look into your your CRM, right? He doesn't have any business there. This is the salespeople who takes care of the CRM. But the quotation and the invoices is created by the salesperson, right? But they don't have access to the books. So what they can do, they can create the quotation or the invoice in the CRM because they are the ones speaking to the clients and closing the people, right? So they create the quotation and invoice in the CRM, and automatically, with because of integration, the quotation and the invoice gets created in Zoho Books. So the accountant automatically knows, okay, the quote is being created, the invoice is created, the money has come in. So he can take care of that. The accountant can take care of that. There is Zoho Projects for project management. The projects can be taken care by people who are taking care of the projects. There is Zoho Contract for sending contract. There is Zoho Sign for making a
So
digital.
this is on an individual level you are discussing. It's not on a Zoho one.
No, it's all Zoho One. I mean, see, you can buy separately as well applications, but why you want to buy separately
But
when you're
Prashish, what my challenge is, what Prashish, I don't want to give all the privileges to my sales team or to my accounts team,
that is
because
what I'm
there's some
explaining.
privacy on.
Yes,
तो
that is what I'm
प्राइवेसी
explaining.
अपने को कैसा चाहिए पता है क्या? लाइक जोहो अकाउंट्स का काम है, वो तू अकाउंट्स देख,
हाँ,
तेरे को सेल्स में कुछ देखने का जरूरत नहीं है.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, वही तो
Who's
मैं बोल रहा
fetching
हूँ.
what? So that's what Zoho One is going to give me an access on.
करेक्ट करेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एक्सप्लेन कि आपको अगर एक्सेस अकाउंटेंट को देना है तो आप जोहो बुक्स का जो एक्सेस ना, एक्सेस तो रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर सकते हैं हम. जोहो वन
Hmm.
इज द वन दैट यू शुड गो फॉर बिकॉज